back to my channel. This is Emily with Hellooo Beauty. If you already haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button so that, you know, you can get the best tips and tricks for the rest of your life, because, you know, if you're gonna wear makeup for the rest of your life, you're gonna need me, right? Today, I'm doing something so fun and special because I'm gonna be doing a Nightmare Before Christmas inspired look upon request. So that means you guys just get to sit back, relax, and enjoy my artistic side coming out and showing you guys what I can do. And hopefully it'll give you some inspiration to also do the same thing, because that's what I want. I want you to watch me and you to get inspired, and then you be like, oh my God, let me do that too. And then you do it, and then you're like, I'm an artist. So just FYI, this is a Nightmare Before Christmas inspired look / Ulta Haul / product review. So everything I'm using in this video is gonna also be reviewed upon how it is, how it does, you know what I'm saying? So enough of me chit-chatting. Let's get straight into the video. These are the products I'm currently reviewing. This is a Stila eyeliner. It is a white liner, but also black on the other side. This is a Juvias Place palette, and this is just duo, but this is it's that duo. I know there's multiple duos. This is Kiss Lashes. These are the 88178s. And then these are EcoTools Interchangeable brush heads. So I will also be reviewing those as well. This is so beautiful. I really hope that I'm impressed. You better impress me. I will put all of the products in the description below, so if you think you don't know a name because I didn't mention it, well, I probably didn't, but it's in the description below because I don't like to waste time. Let's get going. finished look. I really hope you enjoyed the video. This is the Nightmare Before Christmas inspired eye look. Well, look in general. So please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on those post notifications so that every time I post, you get a ding, 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 ding. Emily posted. I hope to see you guys in my next video. And a little bit about the products. I am obsessed with the Juvias Place palette. Is super pigmented colors. It's obviously really, really nice. And the interchangeable Eco Tool brushes are also awesome. The Duo Glue is very tacky and nice, and it's easy to apply to the lash line. The lashes, the Kiss lashes, are very thin, thin band, very beautiful, love them. And what was the last thing? The Stila liquid liner, it's white snow or snow and black. It's like a 2 eyeliner pen. Amazing, absolutely amazing. I also love it. So I would definitely recommend to get every single product that I have tried out today. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Stay beautiful.